morning, everybody. Welcome. So I went to Family Dollar this morning and I'm pretty excited. I like to get my out of pocket as low as can be, you guys, and I swear this is probably the best haul I've done so far. Now if you guys are really enjoying this, please let me know because I love to help people share money. So all I do is just depend on digital coupons. Now if you guys haven't used, you definitely want to download the Family Dollar app, and then every time you use the app, you get every time you purchase an item, when you enter your phone number, you can get a smart spin. So basically it's just like this, and you're gonna pull down to play. We're gonna see what I win. And so I won $2 off your $15 purchase of apparel, which is not the greatest, but I'll take it. So I'm here to share with you guys my haul that I got. Let me just show you. I gotta show you the redeemed coupons that I used so I can share with you what I used. So we ended up getting the Purex. Now these are actually pretty big bottles. These are bigger than the ones like we get at Walgreens. So let me find the coupon. These were $4.45 on sale. There is actually a $2.50 off digital coupon that you guys can actually use twice. So you want to buy 2 of these and use that $2.50 off coupon. These come out to be just $1.95 a piece when you use those coupons. Okay, I had I got this toothpaste. This toothpaste was $3.25. I had a $2 off digital coupon that I used right here, a $2 off digital coupon. This would come out to be $1.25. I ended up needing, I was trying to figure out other deals to do, so I'm like, I just needed like 50 cents to spend, so I just got a filler item for $1. I could have found something for 50 cents, but I'm like, no, I'm craving these, so I got a filler item for $1. And then I ended up getting the deodorant. Now my store had these for $2 a piece, and there's currently a $2 off a 2 digital coupon that you want to use, and it's right here. So a 2 off a 2. Now if you're not sure what coupons to use, you want to scan the product with the app, you can do that. I found one item that I saw, but the coupon was not attaching to it. So yes. And then I got these Pond's little pond things. I got a moisturizer and then a cream. These were $2 a piece, and there is a 2 off a 2 digital coupon that you want to use right here. So these come out to be just $1 a piece after that coupon. And then I have one more item. I ended up getting the CoverGirl, is this eyeliner? The brow pencil. This was $4.50. $4.50. That's crazy. But there's currently a $3 off digital coupon that you want to use, so making these $1.50. So I ended up getting 9 items total. 9 items total for everything, which I was pretty excited for. And I've been getting the same cashier like every week. She's like, oh, I can't wait to see how much you save this time. I can't wait to see how much you save this time. So I'm starting to get the hang of this, you guys. So my total came to, and then you have the $5 off 25 purchase for Saturday only. My total came to be $6.65 before tax. $6.65. That is awesome. I ended up saving $19 with coupons today. So I got every item at 74 cents a piece, which I think is a pretty good deal. Usually we say toothpaste should be free, but you know what, with this kind of a deal, you should take it. So I was pretty excited for that. So $6.65 for 9 items at Family Dollar for today only. One thing I do like is my inserts that I've been getting have the next week's sale, so that I can start figuring out more deals. But I am pretty excited with everything that I got. Give this video a thumbs up. Let me know you guys enjoy it, and I will see you next Saturday. See you later. Bye-bye.